If you're considering Pomodone for your productivity and time management needs, here are 12 things you need to know before making a purchase, especially when compared to other top tier tools in the market. By the end, you'll know if it's the right fit for your workflow. First, Pomodone is all about combining the Pomodoro technique with task management. It's designed to keep you focused by breaking your work into 25-minute intervals followed by short breaks. This unique approach sets it apart from other time tracking tools that don't offer the same structured time management method. Next thing, Pomodone integrates with several popular task management tools like Trello, Asana, and Todoist. This makes it easy to sync your tasks and start a timer directly from your existing project boards. However, some competitors like Clockify offer similar integrations, but they might not have the Pomodoro functionality baked in, so you might miss that extra productivity boost. The third thing to note is its ease of use. The interface is simple, clean, and intuitive, so you won't waste time learning how to use it. You just create tasks, set a timer, and start working. It's straightforward, which is great if you want to dive straight into productivity, though some other tools might offer more complex features for those who need deeper customization. The fourth thing is Pomodone's pricing model. It offers a free version with basic features, but to unlock more advanced options like team management and integration with multiple platforms, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. This is similar to competitors like Toggle, which also offer free tiers, but often come with more limited functionality. Another feature is Pomodone's focus on time tracking. You can see detailed reports on how much time you've spent on different tasks, and it even breaks down the time per project. While this feature is valuable, other platforms like Rescue Time might offer even more comprehensive tracking across all your apps and websites. Next, Pomodone supports both desktop and mobile apps. This ensures you can manage your time on the go, but you should know that its mobile version isn't as feature-rich as its desktop counterpart. Tools like Focus Booster have mobile apps that are more aligned with their desktop experience. The seventh thing to consider is Pomodone's task prioritization. You can organize tasks by due dates, which is helpful for staying on top of deadlines. But unlike some advanced tools like Monday.com, Pomodone's project management capabilities are more basic, focusing mainly on time tracking and task organization. The eighth thing is Pomodone's focus on the Pomodoro technique. While this is a plus for those who follow this method, it could be a downside for those who prefer flexible time blocking or other methods of time management, like those offered by Notion or ClickUp. Next, Pomodone offers notifications and reminders, so you won't miss any scheduled work intervals or breaks. This is particularly helpful for staying on track. But keep in mind that other platforms, like Harvest, offer more detailed reminders related to billing and client tracking if that's something you need. The 10th thing is Pomodone's focus on individual productivity. It's optimized for solo workers or small teams. If you're part of a large team that needs more collaborative features, you might find competitors like ClickUp or Asana better suited for your needs, as they offer more robust project management tools and team communication features. 11th, Pomodone has customer support available through email, which is helpful for troubleshooting. However, some competitors like Clockify offer live chat support, providing faster resolutions for urgent issues. Finally, Pomodone does its job effectively, but if you're looking for a tool with even more features, customization options, and flexibility, there are alternatives. For example, tools like Notion and ClickUp give you much more control over your workflows, but they can be more complex to set up. Pomodone is a solid time management tool, especially if you're into the Pomodoro technique and need simple task tracking integration. However, if you want a more comprehensive and customizable productivity solution, check out our recommended tool that you can try for free. It could be a better fit for your needs.